It's the Earl of Real Estate, Robert Earl, and this is your condo and townhouse market report for Reston, Virginia for Friday the 18th, 2011. The number of condos and townhouses available for sale is 206, with a median price of $310,000. The days on the market is at 110 days, and the price per square foot is $226. The Altos Market Action Index is 19.2, and a number below 30 indicates that we're still in a buyer's market. Now, if you'd like a detailed report on any of the Reston townhouse and condo communities, you can visit our website, theearlofrealestate.com. Or if you'd like a specific analysis for your property, if you're considering putting it on the market, give us a call at 571-926-9230. We look forward to speaking with you.